This entire $50,000 smart home, designed, animated, and built virtually by AI in just 5 days. No architects, no construction delays, just pure tech magic. Welcome to a future where homes are built by algorithms, using Leonardo AI to design, Google Gen 2 to animate, and Runway ML to bring it all to life. This is how we created a fully immersive smart home without lifting a brick. Just prompts, precision, and pixels. Here's how we used every cent of the $50,000 budget. Living room, $10,000. Kitchen, $15,000. Bedroom, $7,000. Bathroom and office, $5,000 each. Outdoor, $8,000. Every room fine-tuned by AI for style, function, and cost efficiency. Total timeline? Just 5 days. Let's begin with the living room, the digital soul of this home. Designed with ambient lighting that shifts based on time of day, voice-activated smart panels blend into the walls. Open space maximized for comfort and connection. AI chose warm materials with reflective surfaces to bounce light across the room, giving it that signature futuristic glow. This kitchen? It's smarter than most people's phones. A glowing center island becomes the room's anchor, cabinets open with a whisper. Touchless controls sync to your voice, motion, and even your phone. AI planned the entire layout around daily flow, from prep to plate. So everything is exactly where it should be. Functional, minimal, magical. For the bedroom, AI stripped it all down to serenity and sleep science. A galaxy ceiling projects constellations at night, while sunrise simulators gently wake you in the morning. The bed adjusts its firmness based on your sleep cycles. Minimal furniture, maximum peace. Designed to reset your brain, not clutter it. Now the productivity and reset zones. The bathroom has a smart mirror that displays your health stats, daily weather, and even skincare reminders. Lighting adjusts automatically to energize you in the morning and relax you at night. Just steps away, the AI-powered office features a holographic desk, ambient RGB glow, and screens that float in mid-air. It's not just a workstation, it's a command center. Finally, the outdoors, where nature meets neural networks. Floating lounge chairs adjust to posture and tilt. Lights sync with the sunset and transition automatically to evening mode. And a lush green wall, yes, living plants, helps balance all that tech with a breath of bio-beauty. Designed not just for function, but for feelings. Now let's rewind. Take a look at where we started, outdated, cluttered, chaotic, and now the transformation. In just 5 days, AI turned a basic layout into an immersive, intelligent living experience, from dull to divine, from human to hybrid. This is the power of AI in interior design. Would you let an algorithm design your next home? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked this futuristic makeover, like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI builds.